Hello friends, my name is Arjun and I'm going to show you how you can use the College Facebook application. It is basically an application which helps in data exchange between students and college. To use this application, you must have a valid Facebook account. Go to facebook.com and from there go on to apps.facebook.com SVIT password. Now as the page loads, it will get you redirected for the permissions. Now you need to allow these permissions in order to add the application to your Facebook account. Now as the application gets installed, you will be prompted for a verification page. This is a verification page wherein you need to provide your college ID. The college ID can be your enrollment ID for the GDU students, and for GU students it can be normal 07 CEG or whatever. After then, you need to provide the password which has been provided to you from the college authorities. For now on, I have 07CEG29 as my college ID and my password and submit. Now as you can see, there are different facilities provided to you. Here you will be having your own profile picture which will be available to us through the Facebook account. You will be having your college ID number, your department, semester, class batch, etc. Now if you want to invite your other fellow students to join this application, what you need to do is you need to invite them by pressing this button, and the Facebook will give you a prompt. Now since this is a test account, it is only having my actual account connected to it. Otherwise you will be having your all friends listed over here and you can select them and send them the request. Then we have the file upload section wherein you can upload your presentations, your ebooks, then your PDF, your question papers, your assignments, your notes, etc. And you can share it with your college mates through the archive. First, you need to provide the title of the file, which you are providing, and you need to choose the file from your laptop or desktop. Then you need to provide a short description of what the file is all about, and then you need to submit this application. What this will do is it will copy the local file onto the server so that you can access this file wherever you go. If you are in college and you can have the access of internet, you can download the files from there. So it can act as a virtual pen drive. Now if you want to look at the archive where actually the files are present, then you need to press this virtual drive. Now this virtual drive will take you to a page wherein you can have files listed depending upon the department. Depending upon the type of file belonging to the department, they are categorized. Now for the computer students, they will have a list of files here. For the electronic students, they need to press this tab, and similarly for the other departments. Now you will have your profile picture listed over here, your college ID, the file title, and the description. You can directly download the file from here. So for example, if we have a TA practical list, then you can directly download this file from here by pressing this icon. You will be redirected to this PDF file. Then we have a bulletin board section here wherein you can see notices about different competitions happening around. You can have information and notices from college authorities, then different scholarship programs, then different achievements of students in sports and in academics, etc. Any type of notices available from college will be seen over here. After that we have the user data section wherein the users can input their data. There are different types of data which are expected from the users, such as from seniors. Those who are seniors can share their experience about how their placements went, what type of questions were asked in their placement interviews, etc. They can have the topics and descriptions here. They can submit this form. There are different types of experience that you can share here, such as the experience in your exams, your sports week, how you played, etc. There are certain things that you can't share at your own Facebook wall because there are many relatives, many other people that are not related to college present over there. But since this is especially for the college students, you can share all the information here and enrich it. Then there is a book selling section wherein you can sell your books, your previous semester books. You need to write the name of the book, the author information, the edition of the book, the actual price at which you bought it, and at the price at which you want to sell it. Right now, so the juniors who require this book will ask you for it, and you can directly have a customer for your book. Moreover, your juniors don't have to search for the book in different bookstalls. Then we have a project seminar section. Every student have a project or seminar in each semester. So the teachers actually need to get a list of all students and their respective project or seminar. So rather than they collecting the project and seminar list by individually, you can have your project and seminar listed over here through this Facebook application. You can submit your project over here, and the teachers can get a list directly from the admin section of this application. Then we have a suggestions section wherein you can provide your suggestions, your valuable suggestions to the college. Now this suggestion will be totally anonymous. Your college IDs or your Facebook IDs will not be passed. So whatever problems or whatever complaint you have, you can directly log in here and provide the topic and description. Now then we have a submit article section. So if you are good at writing articles, then you can write your article here and submit it. These articles will be useful for college magazines, Prakash magazines, etc. This can be very helpful to the college. Then we have a feedback section wherein you need to provide feedbacks about different teachers that teach you. You need to provide them grading on different parameters such as material regularity, course depth, presentation, examples, how they handle your questions, how exam-oriented studies you do with your teacher, and the overall rating. You can give them rating by the help of this scroll, and after then you need to just submit. After feedback, we have poll section in which you will be shown different questions which are posted by admin, and you just need to vote for the questions, whether you are supporting it or you are opposing it. If you are clicking on this green icon, the green button, then you are in support of the question, and if you are clicking on the red button, then you are not supporting the question. Alright, you can vote for a particular question only once,